We interrupt this programming. This is a national emergency. Important details follow. This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. NORAD has detected that 5 nuclear missiles from North Korea have been launched, or are headed for the United States. We expect to get fucked up in roughly 20 minutes. Everyone in the White House is literally freaking out, like you have no idea. I mean, come on, who actually expected North Korea to do this? They're just a bunch of pathetic chinks. Anyways, in all seriousness, all American citizens are advised to find the nearest shelter, even though you will probably end up getting blown to shit regardless of where you go. Please stay tuned for more instructions from the government of the United States.